You open up the app, and you see that big, beautiful number at the top of your screen. That's your leftover. But how does PocketGuard get to that number? It's more than just looking at your bank account balance. It's a complete financial picture, calculated to give you a clear view of your spending power. PocketGuard starts with your estimated and actual income. This is the money you've already received, or that the app predicts you'll receive, like your paycheck. From there, it begins to subtract everything you need to cover. The first things to go are your recurring bills. PocketGuard automatically identifies your fixed, predictable expenses like rent, car payments, insurance, and streaming services. It sets this money aside, so you know it's already allocated and you won't accidentally spend it. Next, it subtracts your savings goals. If you've set up a goal to save for a vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund, PocketGuard factors in your planned monthly contributions. That money is automatically put away, mentally, to keep you on track. Then, the app looks at your spending categories. This is where you can tell PocketGuard how much you want to spend on things that vary, like groceries, dining out, or gas. PocketGuard subtracts these budgeted amounts from your income. If you overspend in a category, that overspent amount is then deducted from your leftover total. And finally, if you have a debt payoff plan set up, PocketGuard deducts those payments. This helps you stay focused on your debt-free journey without letting those payments catch you by surprise. So, the formula is straightforward: your income minus your bills, your savings goals, your debt payments, and your budgeted spending categories. The result? That single, powerful number at the top of your screen. It's not your total bank balance, it's a dynamic, real-time number that tells you exactly how much money you can safely spend. It's your financial roadmap for the month, designed to help you spend less than you earn.